Does your coffee maker look like this? Over time, dripping coffee can ruin your coffee maker. Don't get burned out. Protect your coffee maker with the Coffee Guard by Coffee Hack. Simply insert the Coffee Guard into your coffee maker and forget the mess. Made of ultra-thin stainless steel, the Coffee Guard's design ensures your coffee pot still fits in your coffee maker. And it's dishwasher safe. Cool beans, right? Stop throwing away your coffee maker and save money. Order a Coffee Guard today.